Good morning, traders. This is Dennis Cahigas from MF Global. It is Friday, October 28th, and this is your morning currency comments. Starting off our trading day, we do have the U.S. dollar and the Treasuries both advancing on the overnight. Early expectations for the trade day today is for this trend to continue throughout the day. We are looking for a bit of that risk-off attitude as we see profit-taking coming after a big week of rallies in other markets. So we look for that safe havens, the dollar and the Treasuries, to benefit throughout the day. Also expecting the markets to refocus here on risks, especially coming out from Europe. Now, as concerns for the Greece situation has waned, we do expect the market to refocus on other areas such as Italy and Spain, the next areas that may cause a possible crisis. But let's step back and look what brought us here, starting off here with the Asian markets. The Asian markets closing mostly higher here on the overnight on spillover. The Nikkei last night closed up about 1.5%. The markets there were buoyed here by a spike here in employment as unemployment was reported much lower there than expected in Japan. On the downside, though, Japanese factory production did slide much greater than expected, and also the yen is still holding up by its historic highs here, close to the World War II highs. Finance Minister Izumi last night did state that he would take bold action here to defend the yen. We will be watching that closely. The yen did rally against the dollar here last night. In European news, the European markets are lower here, mostly on profit taking. The European Stocks 50 down about 0.5% early this morning. Last night, Italian bond auctions did come in weak, citing reflecting concerns here that the financial crisis is not over and risks still are prevalent. Also, we had weak numbers coming out of France as consumer spending did come in much weaker than expected. The euro did weaken against the dollar here last night. In U.S. markets, we are looking at currently lower. The December Dow is down about 0.5% here early this morning. We did have the September personal incoming spending suggesting that the economy is a little bit on a better track here as spending did increase better than expected. So what does this all mean? Let's break down our trade expectations, starting off with the dollar. Look for that dollar to rally against the other major currencies, looking for a retest of resistance at 76. And for the Treasuries, we'll be looking for the Treasuries also to rally. Look for the 10 years to test overhead resistance at 128.10, and for the bonds to test resistance at 137.22. But if you'd like more information on these markets, or more importantly, what that can mean for you and your portfolio, give me a call at my trade desk at 866-631-6216. Please remember that futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk and may not be suitable for everyone. Good luck. Good trade.